Hey, if you're in the DFW area or North Texas area, you may be interested in this. This is the DenckOrtho Bender-Max. So I'm squatting down because I can't get the whole thing in the picture. This is a coil-fed continuous feed wire bender. So it's a lot like the one I bought, which is this one right here, the Bender S, which just does straight wire, not the coil wire. But, like I said, this is for sale. And the reason it's for sale is because this is the demo unit that was at the ORG Conference Expo in Irving. And since I live so close, Dr. Neal was like, hey, Kate, take this home. I want you to play with it and learn how to use it, make videos on it, stuff like that. And I did. Liked it so much, I bought my own. And so they wanted me to go ahead and send this back. And I said, hey, what if there's a local lab that would like to buy it from you so we don't have to worry about crating it up and shipping it back? Because this thing is 5 foot 6 inches long, and it's about 250 pounds, so it's going to be really heavy to ship. But if you're in the DFW area or North Texas area, dental lab, ortho lab, and you're looking into getting the robotic wire bending, this might be for you, and I'm willing to deliver it to you and help you set it up. And along with that, you will get access to my free online course that teaches the software that runs this machine. And that'll be a big, good resource for you. And again, I'll be right there by your side helping you with it. But I thought, hey, what kind of discount can you give? And they said we can give a $5,000 discount. And I'll save, the savings on the shipping and all that stuff. So these run brand new $30,000. And they're going to knock $5,000 off of that. So $25,000, and you got a nice wire bending unit here, and a professional to help you set it up. So if you're interested, leave a comment below or email me, retainerdesigner@gmail.com. Again, that's retainerdesigner@gmail.com, or Facebook message me, however you can get a hold of me, and say you're interested in it, and I'll get you in contact with the factory, and y'all can work out details. You can ask questions, that kind of thing. I'll try to help out as much as I can with that too. But again, this is the DenckOrtho Bender-Max continuous feed for $25,000 in free delivery if you're in the DFW North Texas area. I'd love to come visit with you and help set it up. So DM me down below, and I'll talk to you there. If you still see this video, it's still for sale. I'll probably take it down once it gets sold or shipped back to the factory. All right, I'll talk to you then.